This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to your Chevy Traverse Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and running. Next, grab your smartphone and turn on its Bluetooth feature, making sure it's discoverable. Then, navigate to the home screen on your Traverse's infotainment system. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, preparing both your phone and vehicle for connection. Once your phone's Bluetooth is active, it's time to initiate the pairing from your Traverse. On the vehicle's center display, tap the phone icon. You'll then see an option to add phone or pair device. Select this to proceed. Your Traverse will now start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices, including your smartphone. Keep your phone close by for the next step. Now, look at your smartphone. You should see your Chevy Traverse appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Select it. A unique pairing code will then display on both your phone and the Traverse's screen. Confirm these codes match. Finally, your vehicle may ask for permission to access your contacts and messages. Granting this allows full hands-free functionality, making calls and texts much easier. If you encounter any issues, first try restarting both your smartphone and the Traverse's infotainment system. If problems persist, delete any previous pairings from both your phone and the vehicle, then try connecting again. Once successfully paired, you can enjoy hands-free calls, stream audio, and use voice commands. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.